Round half to even on decimal. Our by default uses round half to even on the round function. But it not seems to be always true when rounding to a defined number of decimal places. Comparing to Python, using the decimal module. From Python Decimal Library Docs, about quantize function. Return a value equal to the first operand after rounding and having the exponent of the second operand. I'm not sure if I'm right, but looks like the Python result is correct. Question: which one is correct, and how to achieve the correct results using the two languages?
The problem is the finite precision of floating point values. Python's decimal class is exact in this sense.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.